Hi friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to enable console sharing to play the game. For example, this user doesn't own this game. Spider-Man Miles Morales, it's a digital edition. This user is not owner of this game, but it is installed in the PS5 console. You can see this Miles Morales is locked. So I'm going to remove this lock because any user logging with this PS5 console, they can play it. That is called console sharing. So we need to enable it. So if this guy want to play this Miles Morales, we need to unlock it. So for that, you need to log in with that user, particular user who owns the game. So they have to enable the console sharing. So for that, I'm just going to switch user, choose switch user. Actually, this user is owning Miles Morales game. I'm going to unlock it. I'm going to enable the console sharing. So tap this guy. So here you can see this Miles Morales is unlocked with this user because he is owning the game. So go to settings to enable console sharing. Come to user and accounts. And here you need to come to other and choose console sharing and offline play. So allow anyone who uses this PS5 to play your games and media even when the console is offline. So I'm going to enable it. If you do, anyone who uses this PS5 will be able to play your games and media even when the console is offline. Super cool. Now I need to enable it. Tap this, enable console sharing and offline play. You have enabled console sharing and offline play on this PS5. I'm going to give OK. So now going back. So now I need to switch the user. Switching the user. So this guy wants to play this game. So now I'm going to verify this. See, it is unlocked. There is no lock button here. Okay. There is no locked symbol here. So successfully unlocked. This is the way you can do console sharing on your PS5 console. If any user is owning the game, they can share the game within the PS5 console, even in offline. So that's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye friends and take care.